Hello, everyone. This is Nick with RCN Technologies. Welcome to my webinar series today. We're going to be talking about making a simple CRM with Google Forms and Sheets. Now, if you can see on your screen, I've gone to Google Forms and I have created a contact information sheet that we will be using to start our CRM. For those who do not know what a CRM is, it is a abbreviation for customer relationship management. It's technology that allows any business of any size to collect, analyze, and retrieve all of the vital information associated with its customer base. So essentially, what I'll be showing you today is basically how to um, get information from the people visiting your site or whoever you want to send this form to. You can collect their information and you can have it all in one spot after it's been collected. So you can analyze and see who you want to contact and keep these people in your customer base to send out emails, to contact for future business, anything like that. So let's get started. So the information sheet, it's a pretty simple one. I have the name. I've added a company name and company website just in case. Email, which is very important. Address, phone number, and any comments that they want to use. Now, the best way to do this, you go to responses after you've created the questions that you want to get recorded. Go to responses, and over here there's a create spreadsheet button. So the create spreadsheet, you click on that. It says create new spreadsheet, and you can name it anything you want. I'm going to keep it contact information responses for right now. You can also add an existing spreadsheet to it as well. So you create it, and it's going to open up in a new window. Let this load, and then I'll go a little further. All right, so now what you see, any of the form responses are going to be recorded in a sheet that has been connected to the form itself. So you will have the timestamp of whatever time it was when the person filled out the contact form. You'll have their name, company website, email address, phone number, and the comments, which are exactly the same as the questions that you put in your form. And whenever you change these or add these, they will add on to the form, and the information that was put into those respective fields will be recorded right here. Now, this is how you keep good track of your customer base, and this is where all of the information can be stored so you can look back at it, and it's all in one spot for you. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a test run. So you click preview. I'm going to fill this out for a test. So my name is Nick. Company name, RCN Technologies. Company website, elevate by rcn.com. Email address, blah, blah, blah. Phone number, you get the idea. Comments, this is only a test. Now we're going to submit it. It says, thank you for submitting your contact info. Now, when I go back to the responses sheet, it automatically updates into the information that I put in there. Now, to make this a little more viewable, I'm just going to put everything in the middle. Now, you can see the timestamp is made on 2/27/2019 at 10:43 a.m. My name, the company website, the email, address, phone number, and comments were all recorded in here. And as you build your list, you'll be able to build an email list um, to send out email blasts to your customers or your followers to your blog, anything that you want to do, however you want to use this information. In the future, I'm going to show more in-depth ways on how to handle the CRM inside of Google Sheets. Um, but this is a good way to create a simple CRM that you can embed into your website or send to a group of people to fill out whenever you want to. It's good to have for simple information collecting, and it can do a lot. There's so many options that you can have, and it's an easy way to build your business and maintain your customers just by having this information at your fingertips. Now, I'm going to talk about the share settings a little bit. So when you, I'm going to go to the settings for this first of all. So you can have your form collect email addresses itself. However, since you have it linked to a sheet, you don't necessarily have to do this, but it's always a good second option to have. For requires a sign in, this right now it's checked restricted to users in my domains, but you want to click that off so everybody can view it. And you don't want somebody to limit to one response, or maybe you do. You can click it on or off. I'm going to click it off. Um, Under the responders you can have them edit their thing after submit, or you can not. That is totally up to you. See summary charts and text responses. Again, that is up to you for your these customers to see the summary charts and text responses. I'm going ahead and click save. Now, this is how you are able to send a form to view it, or you can also embed it in your website. Now you want to click send button up here, and you can send this form via email. You can send it as a link. You can also shorten the URL, so that would be a little easier too. Or you can, here's the embedded HTML, or you can embed it inside of your website in like a contact page or something like that for all to see. Uh, and I think everything is at your fingertips here in Google Forms and Google Sheets. You have a very good basis for your simple CRM, your customer relationship management. And overall, a very simple, very personalized way to show people, to get people's information for you. Uh, let's see. And of course, I've spoken about this before. You can always change the themes, the colors, anything like that. You can choose a header image. Just in any way to personalize it for your style at least. So I hope that you enjoyed making a simple CRM webinar here with RCN Technologies, and thank you all for watching. And please stay tuned for future tips and tricks for Google Suite and all things about G Suite. So thank you all. Have a wonderful day.